Hi, my name is Erin Gollhardt. I'm a junior at the University of Delaware, and I'm studying Mareks Disease in Dr. Parcells' lab as part of the Summer Science and Engineering Scholars Program.
Mareks disease is a virus that causes cancer in chickens. Chickens inhale the virus particles through infected dander in the air, and within weeks they develop spread leg paralysis and tumors in the heart, liver, kidneys, and spleen. There is no treatment, and affected birds usually die. I witnessed the devastation this disease is capable of during our lab's vaccine trial. Scientists have discovered the gene responsible for transforming normal chicken cells into cancer cells, which is known as MEK. Since the 1960s, the MEK gene of Mareks virus has evolved new forms that are increasingly more lethal, capable of causing tumors and death much more quickly. When trying to determine what was different about these deadlier forms of the virus, Dr. Parcells' lab found a gene called Kin17, whose protein form was only attached to the most virulent form of the disease. They were even more suspicious of Kin17 because it has been linked to uncontrolled cell growth in human colon, lung, and breast cancers in past studies. To investigate whether there is a difference in the way Kin17 interacts with the different forms of the cancer-causing gene MEK, we introduced Kin17 DNA into liver cells and infected them with different versions of Mareks virus DNA. The DNA is transported into the cells by liposomes, which form capsules around the DNA and fuse to the cell's membrane, releasing the DNA inside, so the cell can then build the new Kin17 and MEK proteins. The Kin17 and MEK proteins have colorful fluorescent tags attached so that we can visualize where the proteins are within the cell under a fluorescent microscope. We take pictures of cells under different colored filtered light and then merge the photos to see the proteins and the cell nucleus together. Here are some images I took of different forms of the MEK virus protein expressed in the same cell as the Kin17 protein. This filter shows the cells. This filter shows their nuclei. This one combines all the images. It's very promising that the two proteins are overlapping in the cell's nucleus, which indicates they may be interacting with each other. In the future, our lab hopes to use this data to map what part of the MEK cancer-causing protein the Kin17 protein interacts with, and use this to better understand how the Mareks virus initiates cancer in chickens, and maybe, someday, this will lead to uncovering the role Kin17 plays in human cancer.